Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over some Dollar General all digital scenarios you can do Saturday, March 13th using that 5 off 25. I'm going to be showing you how you can get a bag of dry dog food for 90 cents, a 12 pack of toilet paper for just $1.05, and some Febreze Air Effects for just 43 cents each. So if you want to know how you can cash in on some of these amazing items, just keep watching. Before we get started, let's go over a few things you need to remember when shopping at Dollar General. The very first and most important rule is you want to scan every item in the store with your app. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second, but the reason you are doing that is because you want to check that the prices come up correctly. There are times when an item could be on sale, or it could also be a price break, and the Dollar General employees just don't have time to change the tag. So you want to scan the item to make sure the price is what you have wrote down on your scenario, because if that price is off just a little bit and it throws you under $25, the 5 off 25 will not come off at the register. Another reason you're scanning those items is to make sure the digital coupons are attaching. At Dollar General, the digital coupons are very finicky. Sometimes it will attach to an item of 1 cent, but it will not attach to the same item of a different cent. So you need to scan to make sure those items are definitely attaching. If you're doing a gain scenario, you want to make sure the coupon you're using plus the gain coupon are both attaching to each item in that scenario. If there is one single item in that gain scenario that's not attaching to that gain coupon and it throws you below that $30 gain total, then that gain coupon is not coming off at the register. I'm also going to show you in just a second what I mean with that gain coupon attaching. Another thing to keep in mind is those instant savings. As an example, if you're doing a 5 off 25 deal and you have a spend 15 on Scott products, save $3 instantly, then you're going to have to make sure your new total is $28 before coupons, because that $3 will come off and you still have to be at that $25 threshold after that instant savings comes off. And lastly, get what you need, not what is cheap. I personally do not like travel and trial size items. So before I wouldn't even put them in my scenarios, but people really like the very low out-of-pocket scenarios with all the travel and trial size things. So now I try to include at least one very low out-of-pocket scenario for you. And now let's do a quick rundown of how to use the app. First thing you're going to do is open up the app. Once you open it up, you're going to click right here in the middle at the bottom onto list. Once the screen opens up, you're going to check the top. You're going to make sure this location is the store that you're at. If not, you're going to hit change store and put it on the correct location. Once you're set on the correct location, you're ready to scan some items. So you're going to click this little barcode here. The screen will pop up and then you are ready to scan. I'm going to scan a few items out of my stockpile to show you what will happen. Here is some Gain dish soap. When we scan it, we see there's a 50-cent coupon. We also see that the Gain digital coupon is attaching. Now we're going to click add to list. If you look up here, it'll show it in our cart. Click the deals applied. It'll show you what coupon attached to it. Now we're ready to scan another item. So let's click the barcode again. And like before, once you click the barcode, the screen will pop up and you can begin scanning another item. We're going to grab an Airwick oil twin pack. Let's go ahead and scan it. As you can see at the bottom, there's nothing there. That means no coupons have attached to this item. If you know for a fact this item does have a coupon and it's showing there's no coupons, go ahead and scan a different scent, because you may find a coupon for a different scent. Okay, now let's grab some You Buy Kotex and scan them and see if there's any coupons that attach to them. You find the barcode and scan it here. You will see that a $1 coupon attaches to this item. This little check mark over here has to be checked in order for the coupon to be clipped to your account. One more little thing I want to add is this total here at the bottom, the $4.27. Do not go by that total. That total is rarely correct. The best way to get your total is to do some old school math on a piece of paper with a pencil. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into our first scenario. We're going to pick up one of the Centrum multivitamins. They are $5. We're going to use that $4 off one Centrum product digital coupon. We're going to buy one Airwick starter kit for $3.35. We're going to use that $1.50 off one Airwick digital coupon. Next, we're going to pick up one bag of the Bella dry dog food for $5.85. There's a $3 off one Bella dog food digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up one of the Oral-B floss picks. They are $2.25. We're going to use that $2 off one Oral-B floss picks digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up one of the Schick Intuition razors. They are $7.50. There is a $4 off one Schick razor digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up one of the Tide Simply Pods with Oxy. They're $2.95. We're going to use that $2 off one Tide digital coupon. And then we're going to make sure our 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. We're going to head on up to the cash register. The cashier is going to ring up all of our items. Our total will come to $26.90. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $21.50 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax just $5.40. You are also going to want to scan this receipt to Fetch Rewards because Airwick is a participating brand of Fetch Rewards. If you don't know what Fetch Rewards is a rebate app. For Fetch Rewards, my referral code is VRYQQ. You'll get 2,000 bonus points for using my referral code when you scan your first receipt. In my personal opinion, Fetch Rewards is the easiest one to use. You don't have to clip any offers. Fetch has over 300 participating brands. You go shopping, you scan your receipt. Every receipt is worth at least 25 points. If you purchase one of their participating brands, you get bonus points. So again, my referral code is VRYQQ. Okay, for our next scenario, we're going to pick up 2 of the Dial body washes. They are $4 each. We're going to use that buy one, get one free Dial body wash digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Tide Simply Pods with Oxy for $2.95. You're going to clip that $2 off 1 Tide digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up one of the Airwick warmers, just the warmer, not the oil refill. They're $1.65. We're going to use that $1.50 off 1 Airwick digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Bic Simply Soleil razor. They are $3.30. I believe it's a 3 count. You're going to clip that $3 off 1 Bic digital coupon. Then you're going to pick up 1 box of the Dollar General brand trash bags. They're $4.50. You're going to use that $1.50 off 1 Dollar General trash digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 1 12-pack of Cottonelle toilet paper for $5. We're going to use that $1 off 1 Cottonelle digital coupon. And then, of course, we're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will come to $25.40. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $18 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax just $7.40. And you're going to want to scan this receipt to Fetch Rewards because Airwick and Cottonelle are both participating brands of Fetch Rewards. Okay, moving right along to our next scenario. We're going to pick up 3 of the Cottonelle toilet papers. They're $5 each. We're going to use the $1 off 1 Cottonelle digital coupon. We're going to pick up 2 of the Febreze Air Effects. They're $3 each. We're going to use that $3 off 2 Febreze digital coupon. We're going to pick up 1 of the Bic Simply Soleil razors for $3.30. We're going to use that $3 off 1 Bic razor digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner for $3 each. We're going to use that 3 off 2 Garnier digital coupon. Then we're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will come to $30.30. $3 worth of instant savings will come off automatically. Then you're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $15 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax just $12.30. And again, scan your receipt to Fetch Rewards because that $15 worth of Cottonelle products is a Fetch participating brand. Okay, let's go ahead and do this low out-of-pocket scenario. We're going to pick up 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner, $3 each. We're going to use that $3 off 2 Garnier product digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 of the Bic Simply Soleil razors for $3.30. We're going to use that $3 off 1 Bic razor digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 of the Centrum multivitamins for $5. We're going to use that $4 off 1 Centrum digital coupon. We're going to pick up 1 of the Tide Simply Pods with Oxy for $2.95. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Tide digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 of the Oral-B Floss Picks for $2.25. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Oral-B Floss Picks digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up 2 of the Febreze Air Effects, $3 each. We're going to use that $3 off 2 Febreze Air Effects digital coupon. And of course, we're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account because it's super important. We're going to mosey on up to the cash register. The cashier is going to ring up all of our items. Our total will come to $25.50 before coupons. We're going to enter our telephone number in the keypad. That's when the magic happens and $22 worth of digital coupons will come off, making our new total before tax just $3.50. So basically, you're going to be paying 43 cents per item in this scenario. And of course, we want to scan this receipt to Fetch Rewards because Airwick is a participating brand of Fetch Rewards. Okay guys, those are the scenarios I have for you this week. I'm going to flip through some pictures here that shows coupons that attach to certain items. If something is out of stock, go through and find something to replace it with. Just make sure you're checking your total and your total is at least $25. If an item is out of stock, doesn't mean you have to scrap the entire scenario. Just replace it with something of equal value. But I'm going to go ahead and jump off here. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, hit the little bell, turn notifications to all so you get notification anytime I post a video. Also, if you don't mind, give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, leave them in the comment section down below. Again, I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you have an amazing Saturday couponing. Hopefully some of y'all will be getting some stimulus checks coming up. If you get some stimulus checks, this would be a good time to get your stockpile built up. Make sure you're using coupons though. Okay, for real, heading out of here now. Love you all. As always, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and until next time, bye.